It's that time of year where we're all getting ready for the big game. You've probably been getting emails and advertisements from certain brands calling it the big game instead of just saying the Super Bowl. Have you ever wondered why that is? This is all because of trademark laws. The NFL has trademarked the terms Super Bowl and Super Sunday. So if a company or brand did want to use the word Super Bowl Sunday in order to advertise any of their products, it would be required to pay the NFL an insane amount of money in order to license the term Super Bowl. And of course, we know just how expensive it is to license a term like that because these 10 to 30 second advertisements during Super Bowl are millions of dollars. So what do brands do instead to get around this? They advertise any of their products and say, get these for the big game. It's a clever way to get around paying these licensing fees because we all know what they're talking about, especially if you're getting these advertisements during this time of the year. And this is why having a trademark is so important for your business. Because when you have a trademark for your brand name or any logo that you have, if somebody wants to use that brand name or logo to sell their goods, they would have to pay you a licensing fee. So it would be a great way for you to generate income. The NFL makes a ton of money by just doing nothing other than licensing these terms that they have trademarked. So not only is a trademark important for protecting your brand name and any of your brand identifiers, it's also a great way to charge a licensing fee and make passive income. As always, I hope this was helpful. I hope you found this just as interesting as we did.